In the wake of Hurricane Helene, the American Red Cross already has more than 2,000 volunteers spread out across a handful of southeastern states. But with Hurricane Milton now on the way, a very powerful and dangerous storm, they're calling on more people to volunteer now. 7 Utahns have already answered that calling. They're heading to Orlando ahead of that storm making landfall likely Wednesday or Thursday. The Red Cross says it is unprecedented to have 2 devastating hurricanes within such a short period of time. And that means volunteers need to be on the ground for weeks, if not months. For those who can't volunteer, there are 2 ways to help here in Utah: by giving blood or donating money.
That's what we need right now. And I know it's a big ask, but I'm not afraid to ask it. Now is the time when we talk. Is that sky falling? That sky is falling, and we need your help.
The American Red Cross tells us volunteers will need to be able to be away from home for up to 2 weeks at a time, and cash donations help pay for ground operations, including providing shelter for those who are fleeing the storm.